According to a CME Group executive speaking at a conference in London, the company has been looking into providing Solana and Cardano futures contracts. A CME Group executive indicated earlier this week that futures contracts for Solana, SOL, and Cardano, ADA, could be available shortly on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. At Crypto Compare's Digital Assets Summit in London, Payal Shah, CME's Director of Equity and Cryptocurrency Products, addressed. When asked if CME was considering issuing futures and other derivative products for cryptocurrencies, she answered, "We're looking at it. We get a lot of requests from clients for anything other than the top two, Solana, Cardano. Sol and ADA have consolidated their positions in the top 10 by market cap, despite the fact that they are still classified as altcoins because they aren't Bitcoin or Ether, the latter of which is frequently referred to as an altcoin. Sol was the sixth largest coin with a $44.3 billion market cap as of Friday afternoon, while ADA was the eighth largest currency with a $39.5 billion market cap. Solana, in particular, has witnessed a lot of development. In 2021, it was the best performing coin, rising from $1.84 at the start of the year to $178.26 by the end December 5th. While there is undoubtedly interest, Shah believes CME will face two major difficulties before issuing SOL or ADA futures contracts. First, the exchange's futures contracts settle to an index since they rely on 5 distinct exchanges for pricing. If one of them goes down, the exchange still has an exact price and can settle its futures. The other issue is one of regulation. We need to know where the documentation should be sent, she explained. The Bitcoin and Ethereum products that CME already offers have seen a lot of interest. Last Monday, the Commodities Exchange started introducing micro Bitcoin and micro Ether futures options. Traders can acquire derivatives contracts in micro increments worth 1/10 of the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Crypto derivatives, such as Bitcoin futures, allow investors to bet on the price of an asset without having to hold the underlying commodity physically. They are used by investors to speculate on price movement and to protect themselves against the asset's volatility. The spot market, on the other hand, deals with the price and delivery of an asset in real time. There is no way to buy or sell Bitcoin if it reaches a specific price in the future. The transaction is completed instantly. We're off to a fantastic start. The screens are turned on. We've had a lot of great trades, Shah remarked. And just to dissect that a little bit more, we released the micro Bitcoin futures contract in May of last year, and we've already done close to 5 million contracts. The group's first Bitcoin futures contract has witnessed significant growth as well. In the few years, just over 4 years, since we issued our inaugural futures contract, the usual Bitcoin future with 5-time multiplier, she added, we've witnessed that rise from 1,000 contracts a day to now 10,000 contracts a day. It's incredible how much they've changed. Outside of CME, crypto-native exchanges have been watching the crypto derivatives market closely. Crypto.com, FTX, and Coinbase have all taken moves in the recent year to cater to futures traders. For more crypto news,